guys! Good evening guys! For today's video guys is mag-activity kami ng aking bata. So, say hi to... Say hi, B. Say hi, B. Say hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Mag-activity kami ngayon guys. Kasi it's Saturday. Kahapon hindi kami nagka-video kasi nalulubat po ako. Say hi, B. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. So, mag-activity kami guys. Bye. So, hi guys, si Elton na po ang next guys. Kaya naa sila'y assignment karon. So mag-answer siya karon sa iyang assignment. Do you understand? Say hi sa, say hi. Oh, say hi. What is your name? Oh, mag-activity ko, mag-answer ko sa ako ang assignment. Bye! Ano, Dan?
Shoe.
Very good.
Card.